Yes guys, welcome back to the channel as always. So guys, in today's video we're going to do a review. I'm going to do a whole review of a platform called COVESTING. Now this is really interesting guys. This is a sponsored review, just to tell you that as well. But I wanted to take this one on. I get a lot of sponsored reviews on the channel guys. I get like offered like probably 20 a day. But this one specifically, I want to do the review because of a few reasons. I've had people in the trading group, guys. Obviously, join the, if you're not in the trading group, join the trading group. But basically, guys, I've had people actually like generally ask me about products like this in the trading group. It's a copy trading, it has a copy trading feature. It's integrated with Prime XBT, and basically this product here, it's a software which is plugged into exchanges to give you the ability to do copy trading and a few other tools as well. We're also going to talk about the COV token got on the screen and the utility there. But I just think that this project does have some real value I can bring to you guys. I'm going to go through everything from top to tail about the project. And yeah, guys, comment below if you get value from the video. But guys, without further ado, let's just dive into it. I'll show you in a nice simple terms what the product is, how it works, and how you guys can actually use it in your trading strategy. So let's dive into it, guys. I'll see you on the screens. Let's go for it now. Okay guys, so let's start with what COVESTING is, and then I'll show you how you can actually use the software within an exchange, which I use as well, have used before as well. So just to cut long story short guys, DLT services, it's basically COVESTING is software which exchanges can implement into their UI, into their backend to give you extra tools on top of what they already offer. So the main predominant service these guys are offering COVESTING is copy trading, and I'll show you how you can actually get into that in a second with Prime XBT. It's very similar to eToro guys and Huobi. Sorry, not Huobi. Sorry, Huobi is an exchange, but eToro have a copy trading aspect to it as well. This is very similar to that, but it's been plugged into leverage exchanges as well, which I think is very powerful because obviously a lot of us on the channel, we trade leverage on Bitcoin. We use products like Bybit, eToro, and even Prime XBT as well. So that's kind of what the overview is, guys. They're licensed the same way as Huobi, and I think the other one is eToro. Yes, they're licensed the same way. But now let me show you how you can actually use COVESTING for you guys. So I know a lot of you guys are into copy trading as well. So here we are on Prime XBT, guys. So on Prime XBT, this is where you can get access to COVESTING. This is the first exchange they partnered up with. And let's just cut to the chase, guys. So it says choose among the best performing traders and automatically copy their trading activity every second income. You can basically just copy traders 100%. I'll show you in my actual account in a second. So copy leading traders, 3 simple steps. You just choose a trader, you set the amount, and you click follow, and that is literally it, guys. You literally trade exactly the same as them, and some of the traders on Prime XBT are up thousands of %, which is quite interesting. So let me show you my account, and before you do that, guys, you need to sign up to get this service. You need to sign up for Prime XBT. I'll put my link below, guys. I think you get like $50 bonus, all that, all those similar bonuses you get with these. And I do know people who personally use Prime XBT right now. I have actually used Prime XBT in the past. Legitimate, decent, high liquidity exchange, so really good. But let me log into my account. So guys, here's the exchange. You can see very similar. You got the MACD at the bottom, the price, and all that. And basically, just to say as well, guys, you with Prime XBT, you can actually trade gold as well. This is one of the reasons I used to trade it. You can do AUD as well. It's got a lot of pairs, guys. So yeah, if you're interested in using this exchange, you can use it as well. But as you can see at the top, guys, you got account, you got trade, turbo, and coin vesting. So sorry, co-vesting. So let's check this out, guys. You click on this, and this is the product they offer inside Prime XBT. Now, really simple. I'm just going to look. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand how this works, guys. So there's a guy here, and this is a trader. He's called Number One, so no one. And you can see that his total profit overall in his account is 1,400% gains. So obviously, this is a full-blown professional trader using he's got 37 Bitcoin in his account right now for its. Sorry, the follower's equity is 37 Bitcoin. So 37 Bitcoin worth is following his trades. It doesn't actually say what his equity is for obvious reasons. So he's got 1,140 followers right now, and the active days is 37 days he's been trading. Today's at a loss, right, of 4%. But overall, over the last 37 days, he's done pretty darn well. But so guys, let's say you want to basically follow this guy's trades. You literally just click here, follow, and then you just choose. So it says here, you're about to follow the strategy of Number One and no one. And all you do, guys, really simple. You deposit the amount of Bitcoin into that follow account on that COVESTING account, that follow, copy trading account. say you want to do 1 Bitcoin. Obviously, I don't have any Bitcoin in this account. And then what you do is you click confirm and you follow. And then that money, that Bitcoin will be allocated to this traders. It won't go to him. He's not going to take the money off you or anything, obviously. But any trade this guy will place, you will place the same trade and you will get the same profit and loss as him. So you got to remember, guys, that, you know, this isn't just a one. This is, you know, at the end of the day, he's down 3% today. So any trade he places, you're going to place the same trade. And like I said at the beginning, it's very similar to eToro with that social kind of the social trading index. But the thing I like about this is that, you know, in these more high leverage, kind of like more professional, you could say more advanced exchanges, you're probably going to get better traders. Like eToro is more of a retail trading software. I'm not saying there aren't good traders on eToro, but these guys, like, you can see very, very clearly that these guys are making a profit. And this guy's been in the game for 153 days. That's like a third of a year or more. And you can see he's got 200%. So, you know, for me personally, guys, I'm personally probably not going to use this. I might use it. I might test it out. You know, we can do these kind of gains anyway. But for people who are beginners, this is a great way of basically creating yourself a passive income, because you can follow other people's trades and you have the legitimacy that they're here on these accounts. You also got your portfolio, guys, so you can see, like, you know, what trades are happening, and you got you create your own strategies as well. So you can actually be somebody who becomes on this list, and then you basically follow their strategy, because these guys obviously, you know, if you're making 100 to 1,500% in, you know, let's say for argument's sake 90 days, you're trading a rigorous strategy with good risk management. No one's making this kind of money without being a professional, you know, knowing what they're doing. Basically, trading's a very hard game. So this is what it's basically the core of it, guys. And you guys can come and use this, and then you know, you can basically log into the exchange whenever you want, and then you can check on it and withdraw and all that kind of stuff. So that's the basis of the exchange, guys. Just to mention one other thing as well, I want to talk about the I think it's a COV token, and I want to mention this as well because this is potentially an investment. We'll get into that now. So guys, here's the COVESTING token. It's the COV token. I'm gonna make this very, very simple, guys, for you. Most of you guys watching this video probably just want to know whether this is a good altcoin as a viable investment into the future. Can you make money by investing in the COVESTING token? So let's go for the very top. So guys, 20 million supply. That's it. Hard supply, total supply of 20 million. That's actually less than Bitcoin, which I like a lot. It's a limited supply. It's a small supply. And you can see here that 18 million tokens are out in circulating supply at the moment, meaning that a lot of supply is already out there. It can't get diluted that much. Also, I know from the team that about 50% of all the tokens are actually locked up in the utility side of the token by long-term holders and investors. And the utility of the token is it's basically the utility token for the COVESTING platform. So you're going to get reduced fees. It allows you to have more strategy managers you can follow. There's a few other things, like there's a token burn built into it. And I think it's going to increase your success rate and stuff like that. There's a whole plethora of different utility use cases within it. But just with flat looking at the price, guys, you know, COVESTING, if they're gonna partner up with more exchanges to get this copy trading software into more exchanges, you're going to see more use of this token in general. Right now, guys, let's zoom in a little bit, like, to more like today's kind of price action. Obviously, it's been around for a while. It did have a pretty decent spike, guys. I think that's when Bitcoin went to 14, or it could have actually just been when it went to 12.5. I think it's actually 12.5 looking at the date, 17th of August. Right now, guys, it's pulled back quite a fair bit. Utility's still good. You know, obviously I'm not going to give you any financial advice, guys. Do your own research on this, and I'll put a link below as well to more of a deep dive than this video into the token. But right now, guys, pretty darn sweet. And also, you know, if COVESTING wants to really grow and get the software, this definitely does have the potential for a 10x. Like, I wouldn't say it was a 100x coin. I haven't had the time to really dive into it. But looking at what the projects are doing, and knowing that, in my opinion, from my channel, copy trading is a big business, guys. Like, you got to look at eToro. It's massive. People love doing it. Obviously, not everyone's a professional trader. So copy trading is a massive industry. If these guys can even take a small slice of the industry, guys, you're going to see an upside tick of this price of this token. But come and check it out more, guys. It's on CoinMarketCap. So, guys, come and check out Prime XBT, link below. And also, please comment below as well whether you take value from this. I think this is I like this product a lot, and I like the way they partner with Prime XBT. But please comment below what you think as well. I'll put some videos on the screen now for some more kind of trading videos, and, like, yeah, just high hopes for these guys. And they have told me that they're going to be integrating this into more exchanges. The more the better, and hope you guys can take some value from it when you're trading. So trade safe. Videos on the screen now. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day, guys. Cheers. Bye.